Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Draego and welcome to a new video. So in this video I have this is a Wi-Fi adapter from iBall. So today I'm gonna talk about it and I'm also gonna unbox it, so keep on watching.
Watch me. Dragon off! Drag it off!
So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, then give a like and join Team Draego by subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon near the subscribe button for all the quick notifications. Now then, let's begin. Okay, now let's do the unboxing. So it looks like we got a driver CD in this box, and here is our Wi-Fi adapter. This is the Wi-Fi adapter. I hope that you guys can see it clearly. Okay, now let's talk about some of its features. So it supports USB 2.0 high interface and it is compatible with Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, and also it supports Mac OS. So I think that with lower Windows like Windows XP, Windows 7, you need to install these Windows Wi-Fi drivers. But with Windows 10, you just plug it in and you can start using your Wi-Fi without installing these drivers. And it also supports 2.4 gigahertz network, and I think that highest speed it can take is 150 MB. Because it is written right over here, and here is the model number. You guys can check this out. So when I got the gaming PC, I didn't know that you need a Wi-Fi adapter to run internet. I thought that everything was inbuilt. So when the internet was not connecting, I got little bit scared, and then I called the shopkeeper and I asked why the internet is not running. Then he told me that you need a Wi-Fi adapter to connect the internet. I thought that everything was inbuilt. Yeah, this computer is custom built, so I don't know much about it, and also this is my first computer. So yeah, and it is really cheap. It is around 460 Indian rupees on Amazon. I will give its Amazon page link in the description, so you guys can check that out. So this is a budget Wi-Fi adapter and it really works fine. And my Wi-Fi speed right now is I get around 50 MB per second, and this works really fine. Let me show you my Wi-Fi speed. And let me tell you one more thing, that this video is not sponsored by anyone. Well guys, let me know in the comments your guys suggestions and feedback of this video, and also if you guys wanna see my gaming videos, then I will give link to my other YouTube channel, which is Draego, link in description and in iCard, so you guys can check that out. And also please make sure that you guys give like to this video, share this video, comment and subscribe. Please guys, share this video as much as you can, and I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it.